How do you balance leg recovery? I lift legs and I can't move for half a week.
Good job. That's
That's
right.
what's supposed to happen.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's a good portion of time. Usually hits 2 days later and then 3 or 4 days to kind of get rid of that soreness. So good job.
Yeah.
I would say you're doing a great job.
Yeah. But get better recovery, and possibly, you might want to look at some different therapies that we have for that, for recovery. Plus, using heat, using like a ray gun, like get that stuff out, foam rollers. There's all different types of ways that you can help with leg recovery and maybe help get some of that lactic acid out of there, or get your legs feeling a little bit better and not so stiff. Massage,
Some IGF recovery, sleep, get that up.
IGF, Hercules potion. There's a couple different ones you can utilize for this. Even any of the GHRHs, because you're raising IGF-1 levels, so you get that benefit. Huh?
MK?
MK is another good one too as well. Absolutely. Like I said, it really depends on the person and how they are. If they're disciplined and they can utilize that, great. If not, there's other things that you can utilize where they're not going to get the spike in hunger too as well.
Guys, get on over there today.
Behind the back pull downs. Mike loves these. These are definitely a good one.
I like them. Pretty much everybody I train with loves them. It's a great one.